Hello everyone, welcome back to my
channel VEDARSHI Knowledge Center. Today I am going to
discuss.
discuss the answers of PT2 maths.
I hope you will benefit it
I hope you will learn it
properly.
properly. First MCQ questions. A. The smallest number by which 1944 should be multiplied so that it becomes a perfect cube is here at first we will check with 3. 4 3 12 अपने 2 3 12 13 अपने 9 3 27 28 1 3 3 4 2 3 12 2 अपने 9 3 27 यहाँ 5 होगा ये परफेक्ट क्यूब है इसलिए आंसर 3 होगा Next question. If two quantities x and y vary directly with each other, then we know that in direct variation x by y remains constant. So the answer will be x by y remains constant. Next, discount is always calculated on. We know that discount is always calculated on mark price, which is marked on the item which is sold. If x and y vary directly with each other and x equal to 28, what is y when constant of variation is 7? According to question, here x equal to 28. This implies 28 into y equals to k. This implies 28 into y equals to 7. Therefore, y equals to 28 by 7. Here 7 goes in division by 28. So the answer will be 4. Now, E. Which of the following is the cube of 0.3? So cube cube of 0.3 equals to 0.027. Here cube of 0.3 equals to 0.027. Next, F. The price marked on an article is called mark price. MP. G. Which of the following is a perfect cube of positive numbers? Answer will be 5832 because we have solved it in a question. H. This was H. Now G. Square root of 0.027 minus square root of 0.008. We know that 0.027 is the cube of 0.3 and 0.008 is the cube of 0.2. Therefore, cube will be cut and 0.3 minus 0.2 equals to 0.1. Answer. Now, I. If 52 men can do a piece of work in 35 days, then 28 men will complete in how many days? So, it is a case of inverse variation. When we add man, the time will be reduced, and when we increase the time, the man will reduce. Number of men, time. If 52 men completes a piece of work in 35 days, then 28 men will complete how much work in X days? It varies inversely. So xy equals to k. This implies 52 into 35 equals to 28 into x. This implies x equal to 52 into 35 by 28. 7 factor 35 is 7 for the 28, and we can cut 52 with 4. 1 time 13 equals to 65. Therefore, the answer will be 65. Now J question. If the selling price of an article is twice the cost price, the profit percentage. So let the CP equals to rupees 100. Profit equals to X. SP equals to, according to question, SP equals to twice of 100 equals to 200 rupees. Therefore, profit equals to 200 minus 100, SP minus CP equals to 100 rupees, and profit percent equals to 100 by 100 into 100 equals to 100%. Answer. Now, there are two questions of assertion and reason. There are some options given in which A option A is both assertion A are true and reason R is the correct explanation of assertion A. Second option is both assertion A and reason are true, but the reason R is not correct explanation of A. Assertion is A is true, but R reason is false. This is the third option. Fourth option, assertion A is false, but reason R is true. Now, the K question. Here, assertion is given that the cube root of minus 512 by 3 to the power 9 is minus 8 by 27. Let's solve. Given minus 512 by 3 to the power 9 equals to minus 8 by 27 equals to minus 512 by 27 cube equals to
The first people.
minus 512 by 27 cube. Its cube root equals to minus 8 cube and 27 cube. It will cut and equals to minus 8 by 27. Therefore, assertion is true. Now, reason for a positive integer x, cube root of minus x equals to minus बार हो जाएगा cube root of x. Reason is true, but it does not explain assertion. So The correct answer will be B. Both assertion and reason are true, but the reason is not correct explanation of assertion A. Because if we don't use this property, there will be no effect on the assertion. Now, first question. Assertion after slashing the price of refrigerator from 35,000 to 29,400. Reason discount percent equals to discount by 10 to 100. Here assertion is false because nothing is given in it. Reason discount percent equals to discount by 10 to 100. It is true because it is correct formula of discount percent. So the answer will be D option. Assertion A is false, but reason is true. Now, section B. The first question of section B is prove that if a number is triple, then its cube is 27 times the cube of the given number. It's so easy. Let the number be x. If we triple it becomes 3x. According to question, cube of 3x equals to 27x cube, and it is 27 times of the given number. Proof. Now, second question of section B, evaluate. It is so easy. It is the question of thought of chapter 2 cube and cube root. Evaluate. Cube root of 288, then cube root of 22, then cube root of 27. We know that 27 is the cube of 3, therefore it becomes 3. Therefore we should multiply 72 with 3, it becomes 216. Now we know that 216 is the cube root of 6, therefore it becomes 6, and we have to multiply 288 with 6, which equals to 1728, and it is the cube of 12. So our answer will be 12. Now the next question, question number D, is the question of that inverse variation, chapter number 4 of your textbook. If 15 men can repair a road in 24 days, how many days will it take 9 men to repair the same road? It is the question of direct and inverse variation. Number of men, days, time. Here, 15 men can repair a road in 24 days. and when will repair it in X days. If when decreases, days increases. So it is a question of inverse variation. So xy equals to k. This implies 15 into 24 equals to 9 into x. This implies x equals to 15 into 24 by 9. We know that 3 into 5 equals to 15. Therefore, it will cut with 5 and it will cut with 2 equals to 29 into 5, 29. 24 into 24 cuts with 2, 12. This implies 60. Fifteen by 23, 5, 8, 24, 9, 16. It is wrong. Our question is that if 15 men can repair the road in 24 days, then how will it take 9 men to repair the same road? This implies number of men equals to 15 and time equals to 24. And here number of men is 9 and time is not even. There, if we decrease the number of men, the time for the construction will increase. If we will increase the number of men, the time will decrease, and if we will decrease the number of men, the time will increase. Therefore, it is the case of inverse variation. This implies xy equals to k constant. This implies 15 into 24 equals to 9 into x. This implies x equals to 15 into 24 by 9, 5 times, 3 times, 8 equals to 40. Therefore, it will take 40 days. It is the correct answer. Now, the next question, the speed of the 125 meter long train is 45 km per hour. How much time will it take to pass a platform 25 meter long? Here at first, we have to convert the speed into meter per second. Therefore, we have to multiply 45 into 18 by 5. No, 5 by 18. It cuts with the 15 times and 6 times. Now 2 times and 5 times. It equals to 25 meters per second. Now, distance equals to 25 meter, 25 by 2 meter, 1 second. Distance in meters and time in seconds. Distance equal to 25 by 2 meter in 1 second. And here the length of train is given 125 m and the length of platform is given 635 m. This implies it becomes 750 meter. Now 750 meter. Time equals to x seconds. If we just distance the time will increase to, so it is the case of direct variation. Now 25 by 2 by 1 will be removed equals to 750 by x equals to 2 into 750. This implies 2 into 750 equals to 25. This equals to x. 25 plus 75 is 3 times and here is a 0. So it will 30 times. This implies x equals to 60 seconds. So it will cross the platform in 60 seconds. Now the next question. It is also the question of that and inverse variation. Chapter 4, worksheet number 1. It is the question of direct variation. A laborer works 9 days and gets 675 rupees. Time and money. How much time will he take to get 900 rupees? It is a case of direct variation. So xy equals to k, x by y equals to k. So 9 by 635 equals to x by 900. This implies 9 into 900 by 635 equals to f. 9 into 7 equals to 63. 4 by 45. 63. 45. 5. 75. Now 75. 900 divided by 75. 1 times 75. 5. 0. 75 into 12. 12. It will cut it in 12 days. This implies our answer will be 12 days. Now, our last question is case study. Here, first question is post price of earrings. result is whether it is in gold and diamond jewelry. In a festive season, we offer a discount of 25% on mark price of the jewelry. A customer buys a pair of earrings from him after allowing the discount. He still makes a profit of 15% on it. His profit was 4800 on selling the earrings. Based on above information, find the answer. First, post price of the earrings is, let's try this first. Profit percent equals to profit equals to profit percent equals to CP profit by 50 into 100. This implies 4800. Let's try with first option, 28500 into 100. Let's divide 28 with 480. It is round. Let's check with certain. 4800 by 30,000 into 100. It will cut in 15, and the profit is also given 16%. So its correct answer is 30,000. And we know that SP equals to CP plus profit. And the second question is selling price of the earrings is, and the first option is 34,800. It is the correct answer because if we add CP with the profit, it equals to 34,800. So its first answer and second answer is 34,800. Now only we have to find the MP. We know that MP equals to SP into 100 by 100 minus discount percent equals to 34800 into 100 by 100 minus 15% equals to 75. It cuts in 3 times, 4 times. Now we will divide 348 with 3. 1 time 0, 4, 1 time, again 1 and 18. It is divided by 3 in it 6 times. So it will cut in 11600. So our answer will be 46400. Now all questions are solved. Then it is the time to end the live. I hope that you have learned all questions and subscribe to our channel. Let's meet in the next live.